Welcome back. Wednesday witnessed two fatal accidents in Raya and Bicholi. Two people died on the spot. In Raya, a truck knocked down a pedestrian while crossing the road. The truck turtled along the road. Villagers of Raya blocked the Phone-Madgaon highway demanding widening of road. Meanwhile, in a head-on collision between two motorbikes at Borde Bicholi, one rider, Pratap Chanekar, died on the spot.
This is the area in Raya. A truck knocked a pedestrian crossing the road. Lulu De Mello died on the spot. People call this stretch a death circle. Villagers informed that in 2 years, 12 people have lost their lives in almost 23 accidents.
Accident झाला तो डेथ ऑफ टर्न म्हणपाक सांजचे वेळार हांगा बाजारान लोक जमताले आनी एक बस कशी जाताली गांवच्या लोकांची ती सुद्दां आतां बंद जाल्या कित्याक एवरी टायम एक्सिडंट चालूच आसतात आतां हांगसर सुमार 22 एक्सिडंट जाले तितून म्हाका दिसता ऑलमोस्ट 12 जाणांचो जीव गेला आनी हें चालूच आसा.
Kurtori MLA Alex Reginald said the road is wrongfully planned.
Administration as a MLA also I am partly responsible for this. Administration I am सांगत आहे. For example this road I have been telling the PWD or banking corporation. They have done a little but they need to do more. So today they have promised me they will do more. And one more thing, I have been after them that these actions are happening. Now there is a technical difficulties. कित्याक acquire करपा जाय नाल्यार जुमनी भितर वचपा जायना. So all widening has to be done. This road is completely wrong. This should have not been done like this.
Villagers of Raya got furious and blocked the Ponda-Margaon highway. PWD engineers visited site and measured the area for road widening. Authorities assured the locals that widening work will begin soon. Meanwhile, in a head-on collision between two motorbikes, one rider was killed. This accident occurred at Borde Bicholim. Pratap Chanekar died on the spot. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Supreme Court appointed e-monitoring committee will arrive in Goa on Thursday. Committee will check O-verification report from the 7 jetties. Mines Department appointed committee has completed inspection of extracted iron ore and verification of 7 jetties. On Friday, department will submit its report to the committee. E-monitoring committee will take final call either to accept the report or not.
The committees headed by assistant directors have completed inspection of 7 private jetties. Vagus VM Salgaonkar, Amona Seza Goa, Bandekar, Shalwan, Kapshe and 2 more in South Goa. The inspection includes verification of total quantity of grade of iron ore. The detailed report will be submitted to the e-monitoring committee on Friday. Member of e-monitoring committee Sheikh Naimuddin will reach Goa on Thursday, while Dr. UV Singh will reach by Friday. Meeting of the committee will be held on the same day. Committee will check the report submitted by the department and will take a final call whether to accept the verification report or not. Departmental committee will verify the ore lying at the mining leases, beneficiation plants, outside lease areas and stockyards. On Wednesday, the Mines Department listed total 316 dumps measuring more than 764 million tons rejected iron ore inside and outside mining leases. Conversion fees of the dumps were paid by the occupants. Meanwhile, Mines Department raided stone quarries for allegedly operating on government land. Department team seized 2 power tillers and a JCB. Authorities have lodged a FIR at Ponda police station. Department also detained 4 trucks of sand at Farmagudi. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Anti-Corruption Bureau has registered a case in 32 lakh rupees garbage compactor purchase scam at Mormugao Municipal Council. ACB has named former chairperson of MMC Rajesh Marathe, proprietor of Raj Traders at Mapsa and other former officials of the Mormugao Municipal Council as accused in this case.
Anti-Corruption Bureau has registered a case against former chairperson of MMC Rajesh Marathe, former Chief Officer of Mormugao Municipal Council, proprietor of Raj Traders in Mapsa and other formal officials of the Mormugao Municipal Council. Accused have been booked for hatching the criminal conspiracy in pursuance to buy defective garbage compactor. ACB claims that defective garbage compactor was bought through stage-managed tender without following due procedures. ACB claims that purchase of defective garbage compactor resulted in loss of 32 lakh rupees to the public exchequer. Councillor of MMC Vasco, Tara Kerkar, says she had inquired about this purchase but all were hiding the scam. Tara also says a thorough investigation will unearth more skeletons in MMC's cupboards.
एक दीस हांवें मिटिंगेक सुद्दां विचारलेलें की हे गाडी जी हाडून दवरल्या कचरो उचलपाक लागून हेचो वापर कित्याक जायना ना ते आमकां दिला ते फटींग दिला ताणें पेपर सारके करूंक ना हें करूं पण तुमी हाडले तरी कित्याक ते अशें म्हणून तेन्ना प्रश्न केलो तेन्ना शेखर खळपकर म्हाका दिसता चेअरपर्सन आसलेलो लास्ट टायमाचे तेज्या वेळार ते 2005 to 10 ह्या भितर तो घोटाळो जाल्लो आसा ह्या टायमार न्हू ह्या टायमार तरी सुद्दां हांवें प्रश्न केल्लो मिटिंगेक ती गॅरेजीन ती गाडी दवरल्या ती कित्याक तुमी तेजो वापर करिना ना जाल्यार तिका विकिना तरी कित्याक तो आमच्या हड्ड्यार ते दवरलेले आसा अशें म्हणून प्रश्न केले सीओचे तेजेर उत्तर आसना.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar and Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.